Hi guys, it's your girl Gaia J. I know I've been missing in action. I've been gone. My brother was getting married and I'm in the process trying to get the house together and so forth. That's why I've been MIA, but I have a highly requested video. So because people have sent me emails requesting that I do this video, so therefore I'm doing it for those that have requested that I do it for them. So before I do that, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you for tuning in. So this is how we start. You won't be seeing my face as I show you this process. I'm going to do the Argo microwave chunks. So bear with me. Watch what I do. I won't be speaking. You take you open the box, okay? You make sure you do this so that it takes out the air. I think it takes out the air. We'll see if I still got it, Make sure you do this so it takes out the air. You got to keep doing this until it gets real hard, because we have to make sure we get them big old chunks. And then what you do, this right here, okay, you fold it. Make sure there's no air and you fold it. Once you fold it, and then you find a way to squeeze it. Okay, you fold it and you squeeze it and you put it in a microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'll be back. Okay guys, it's out of the microwave. So I'm going to open the box. Fingers crossed I have nailed this. So I'm opening the box. This is hot. Usually after you take this out of the microwave, you're supposed to cool it in the freezer so when you eat it, it's not hot. But because I do not eat this, I won't eat it. So I don't need to cool it. So I just need to get through this. So guys, this is hot. I don't think I've nailed it to what I used to do, but we shall see. We shall see. We shall see if I still got it. If this does not turn out the way that I want it to turn out, I can always do another box. Shoot. Try not to curse, you guys. Yeah, I've butchered this. Guys, I butchered this. I have not done this in absolutely so long. So for some odd reason, I've butchered this. I'm going to tell you why this wasn't crunch and hard chunks. Is because when you take it out the microwave after 3 minutes and 45 seconds, you're supposed to put it in the freezer for at least 15 minutes, which I did not do. But tomorrow I will put another video of me doing that and putting it in the freezer for 15 minutes so that you're able to see the outcome. But this is my embarrassment. This is my embarrassing outcome, which is perfectly fine. Tomorrow I will post a different one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Tomorrow I'll have a better version of this. And tomorrow what I'll do is I'll show you a trick where you add Coke to it. Coca-Cola. I'll show you a trick tomorrow. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. And tomorrow you'll see a better version. Bye.